You don't sit back in those seats.
For the first time, Lynette could see this was not the innocent play of children. She was being challenged. So, she decided it was time to get creative.
Out! Can't behave, you heard me. You cannot ride. You, out! Move it!
Where's she going? I don't know. Where's she going?
Okay. Mommy's a genius. 6. All right. I'll be right back. Mommy, I'll be right back. Boys? 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 Porter! Preston! Parker! If you're hiding, you gotta stop now, because Mommy doesn't think it's funny! Oh! Excuse me, I'm sorry. I'm looking for my boys. 3 boys with red hair. Have you seen them?
Yeah, I also saw you drive away and leave them.
I know. I was just trying to scare them into behaving. Did you see where they went?
Yeah, they're in my kitchen.
Oh!
Listen, it seems to me that you have some anger management issues.
I have 4 kids under the age of 6. I absolutely have anger management issues.
Yeah, well, I think you need to talk to somebody because abandoning your children is...
I didn't abandon them. I came back.
Yeah, I'm just saying, it's not normal.
Well, my kids aren't normal, and now I don't have time for this lady, so... Boys, get out here!
No, I don't think they should go anywhere until you calm down.
Oh, get in the car.
She's got cookies.
Well, bring them. We're leaving.
Oh, no. Stay put.
Oh, I don't think so. Oh!
Listen, lady, you and I are going to have a little talk.
Leave Mommy alone.
Let go of me. What's the matter with you?
Ah!
Run, boys, run!
Come on.
Oh, crap. You get back here! Boys, you're gonna need to put on your